Good morning, y'all. This is day one in Cairns. Not the smoothest experience going through immigration yesterday. I think because I flew out of Australia, was coming from Bali and flying back into Australia, kind of raised a couple of red flags, but luckily I got a very nice lady, a customs agent, who just wanted to hear my story and make sure that I wasn't going to be staying in Australia illegally. So I gave her the whole rundown that my visa expired at the end of March, so I flew to Bali and applied for an Australian tourist visa and was now flying back to Australia just to finish up the country and do one more month of traveling before flying back to Canada for my mate's wedding at the beginning of May. And that was it. Biosecurity was another little hiccup. If you're traveling to New Zealand or Australia, they take biosecurity extremely seriously. Extremely serious, which could cost you a $400 fine. So just declare everything. I declared the roasted almonds, which they took away because the bag was open. Here's a pro tip: if the soles of your shoes are dirty and you're flying into Australia or New Zealand, just declare it on your thing. They will give the soles on your shoes a cleaning treatment. I told them that I had gone on a hike with these trail runners that had a little bit of dirt on them. Check this out. The guy literally took my shoes, brought them in back, and look at how nice and clean those soles are.
Would you say that, like, if this was the only tour that we did on the Great Barrier Reef, that
it's good for snorkeling, it's good for facilities. If you want to do deeper diving, deeper snorkeling on bigger reefs, then that's also an option.
Yeah, I mean, as long as there's like fish and if I see sea turtles, it's more about the marine wildlife for me more than anything else.
The fourth, please.
Ever since watching that documentary Chasing Coral on Netflix, it has been a dream of ours to see the Great Barrier Reef before it's completely bleached out and dead. Hopefully it never comes to that. We're gonna do all that stuff tomorrow, but we've got other things to do today in the meantime. And you're never too far from a purple scooter. Let's go. The perks of being a former Beam employee is free rides.
Are these the new ones?
Nope, these are the MMPs. Actually, these are the older MMPs because they don't have the indicator lights. Safety first, helmets on, we're strapped in. All right, let's go to the aquarium. Yeah, you are.
You're not.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, a bit of a roundabout way.
So we should have crossed there.
Move out of the way. I'm so used to the horrible, chaotic traffic of Bali. I just cut Ling off. She's so pissed at me. Look at these beautifully arranged e-scooters. I would have done just the perfect job, if not better. Oh no. E-scooter evidence of shenanigans.
Shenanigans.
Look at these drifty drifts. All right, here we are, Cairns Aquarium. Let's go look at some fishies. Let's find Nemo.
So cute.
He's so small.
Imagine one of them had a munted little fin, just like Nemo.
Check this out, mates. This is the rare moray eel of the tropics of North Queensland right here.
Wow, that's so weird. It's very weird.
Imagine that coming up to you in the water.
No.
It's going fast. I also don't want to fall into my head.
Do it.
Oh, welcome to the rainforest. Est-ce que je peux voir la carte, s'il te plaît? Merci beaucoup. Je veux juste vérifier quelque chose sur la carte parce que l'aquarium est tellement gros. Donc je veux juste m'assurer qu'on a assez de temps pour voir tous les exhibitions et tous les poissons. This is like the low budget aquariums that have the conveyor belt. You just gotta do all the light work yourself. Close your mouth.
So these eggs are all for the big liquid sharks, and they just live in our ginger tank downstairs. That's when it finally hatches through that flat
It
egg.
looks like coral. Not coral.
Yeah,
it looks
when
like
they find them on the
seaweed.
beach, yeah, they
Seaweed,
look like
yeah.
a coconut husk or a seed off a tree or something.
Of course, Patrick.
Yeah.
Hey, bud. How you doing? Let me put my foot there. He's as long as my leg.
That's what I was filming. Love the design on his back. It's that feeling of being in an air-conditioned aquarium for like 3 hours and then heading outside and feeling that humidity. We're hungry, so let's go get some food somewhere. I think we might get some Chinese. I like their name, the Garden of Eden.
Yeah.
We was craving Chinese food, so Jenny's Chinese.
It's like, don't you mean Jenny's kitchen? It's like, no.
No, it's Jenny's Chinese.
Jenny is Chinese.
We ain't got her. Chow Megan. Just cooling me off because it's nice and warm. There's just a 2-hour time difference between Bali and Cairns, Australia. After that delicious Chinese meal, a succulent Chinese meal, I couldn't keep my eyes open. I was passing out. But now we're gonna get some sugar in us with a little bubble tea. Taro milk with fruit jelly. What did you get?
Oh, coconut milk with mango puree.
Good old taro. They're out of red bean, but what can you do? That's life sometimes. Sometimes you go into a bubble tea shop and they don't have red bean. That's life. I see a purple scooter. How funny is this, man? Free cone day at Ben & Jerry's, 3rd of April. Is it the 3rd of April in Montreal as well?
I have no idea what time it is back home, actually.
Wow. Well, all things considered, for free ice cream, this isn't that crazy of a line. I remember Montreal was
2 in the
pretty
morning, but-
metal. There are folks in line for free ice cream eating their free ice cream. So maybe we'll do a couple laps, and then by the time we get back in there, we'll be done our ice creams,
It's like
mate.
Ferg Burger.
This is cool, and we've got a selection too. Noon to 8 p.m. So we've still got about 3 hours and 20 minutes of free ice cream.
This is the kind of thing that you see a line and you're like, I don't know why there's a line, but there's a line, so something good must be happening.
yeah.
And you stand in it.
Stand first, wait, and then ask questions later. So this lovely fellow that works at Ben & Jerry's with the North American accent. Oh yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
Here you go. Look at that. We got ourselves a menu. So the record is 8 times that someone went looping around with his free ice creams. What do we got?
Peanut butter cup sundae. Peanut butter ice cream with peanut butter cups and fudge swirls.
Say peanut butter again. You had me at anything that incorporates coconut and milk chocolate. Shortbread cookie. Okay, I gotta go with that. Chewy, gooey cookie it is. Ben & Jerry's released a flavor for me. It's my exclusive flavor. Look at that. Doesn't that look just like me?
Oh, now you're stuck with this.
Yes, thank you. Something like free ice cream, hey? Chewy, gooey cookie. This is the best flavor. The flavor that's free.
Yay! Peanut butter.
Cheers.
Look, love, I found a treasure in my ice cream.
Wow. All right, so apparently Cairns has got like a man-made lagoon slash beach, kind of like the one in South Bank in Brizzy. They even got their own wheel. It's like the wheel of Brisbane. Except there's no Channel 7 logo on it. Ling brought up an interesting point that you can't even swim out there. Why not, Ling?
Stingies and stingers and biters.
Imagine being in a place where it's so hot and humid in the summertime, and the first thing you want to do is cool off in the ocean, but you can't because of the stingies, the jellyfish, of course. What a tease, but that's why they have a lagoon right there, too, so you can get some relief. This is the Stingray Shrine. See, if this was real life, and if I did this,
That tail would sting my foot and I would be in a world of hurt for like the next 4 hours.
Shall we take a picture here?
Yeah, let's take a picture. I attempted to do as many pull-ups after eating chocolate gooey ice cream from Ben & Jerry's and drinking a sweet bubble tea. And now I feel ill. I think I strained my body when I got through eight pull-ups, which isn't that great. I could usually at least get to 10. But I think we should go home now. I'm tired. Didn't do enough steps either. 5,000. That's half of my daily goal. What? Why are you laughing? The cameraman's laughing at me and just distracting me.
It's because you just eat so unhealthily. And then
Oh wait, Meg's going into the souvenir shop, but no more ice cream for me. I'm done with the ice cream. It's free for another 2 hours, but I cannot. I'm sugared out, bruh.
should not.
Cannot. Should not. Can't stop. This is in every Australian gift shop around the country. The kangaroo testes / bottle opener. Is this polymer clay?
No.
It looks like full polymer clay. Oh, who is this brown girl? Who's this brown girl here? Hawaii vibes. This is like a toned down Waikiki. What are these trees called? Very fibrous. It's like pulled pork. If pulled pork was a tree that shared 75% of its DNA with humans.